So today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY packaging, just to give you some tips and ideas about what you could do to make your products look really nice for the customers that receive them. I'm going to go through quite a few today, different bits and pieces, so you can take whatever inspiration you like from this. I personally don't put a lot of effort into my packaging just because I don't have a lot of time when I do package, because if I did I would be packaging for days. But if I did have a lot of time, these are some of the things I would do, because I think they look really cute and adorable, and whoever receives them would really like and appreciate it. With that being said, we'll get right into it. the printed items you see in this ideas video are from this book. It is amazing. I don't know where to get it. I got it as a gift, but it is so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be doing more tutorials like this in the future for tips and tricks on small business things. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.